Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making the connection immediate. Turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and set Airdrop to contacts only or everyone so discovery works. Once done, unlock both iPhones and open the Contacts app on the sender device. Tap a contact to view details. You can share single entries or select multiple contacts by sharing vCards from a list. Make sure the recipient is nearby and unlocked. Airdrop needs proximity and visibility to establish the transfer. Now perform the share. On the contact card, tap Share and pick Airdrop from the iOS share sheet. The sender's device will scan for nearby devices. Once you see the recipient's avatar, tap it. This initiates the peer connection. You'll see an animation showing the transfer. This indicates data is moving over Bluetooth to set up a direct Wi-Fi link for the actual contact file. Make sure the recipient taps Accept when prompted so the VCF imports into their Contacts app. Finish by having the recipient tap Accept. The contact will import directly into their Contacts app, and you'll get a delivered confirmation. If the transfer fails, first toggle Airdrop visibility between contacts only and everyone, then restart Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both phones. A quick reboot often clears stale networking states. If problems persist, move the phones closer, disable personal hotspot, and try again. Switching Airdrop temporarily to everyone can remove pairing barriers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.